Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Crazy Steve Pyrotechnics, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be demoing a wheel here. I got it hooked up to a electric match here. We're going to touch it to a battery contact to set it off. These are two red gerbs with 15-foot spread. It's a homemade wheel assembly. I just used some zip ties, a ruler, some washers and grommets to make kind of a spinning wheel assembly that will hold everything in place. So we're going to test it out, see how it goes. Might go flying, who the hell knows. Yeah, let's shoot this sucker off, shall we? Alright, here we go. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that was a shit show. So I refused it. Let's try this again. See if we can get both of the gerbs to ignite. Quick match was just too fast for it. So let's go ahead and try this again. All right, launching 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.